Hi, my name's Scott Ryers from MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm doing a video walkthrough of our 2023 Yamaha 22-foot. It's the 222SE. I'll start here on the back of the boat. A lot of great amenities on this boat. You have the mount for the rear table. You have nice sea decking, the great comfortable lounge seats back here, speakers, stereo transom remote to run the stereo. You have a great walkthrough here, all the way through, nice and low, easy to access the boat. Another area to mount a table. Great big open cockpit area. Then you got the dual captain's chairs, big, nice, high, comfortable backs. Lots of storage up here in the glove compartments. Cooler, nice little spot to keep the cooler right here. Wrapping around. This is a dual engine, Yamaha dual engine jet motors. You got the 12-inch big, nice visual screen with navigation, GPS. Also, you got the helm control right here. You can navigate the screen with using this or with the touch screen. Phone charger with phone holder with charger. This boat has the nice sea deck snap-in flooring. Sports tower with bimini integrated into the tower. Moving on through, huge open bow. In-floor storage, can close the door across, shut the window to shut the wind out. Big front bow. These seats do move, storage under all the seats. A front anchor locker to go off the front of the boat. Lots of room, big wide bow, so a lot of space. 22-foot boat, but extremely a lot of space. A nice bow ladder, pull up to the beach, go off the front of the boat. Very nice, and keep your anchor in there also. So great boat, lots of power at the dual motors, lots of fun, wakeboard, ski, tube, just cruise. Plenty of room on this boat. Rated for 10 people. So come on out to MarineMax. Check out the newly arrived Yamaha 22-foot SE. We're gonna get it online here today, hopefully, and then check it out at the store, at the Greenville store. And online will be at MarineMaxGreenville.com, or you can give us a call, and that number is 864-236-9005.